With more on the health of housing is Bess Freedman, CEO of Brown Harris Stevens. Bess, welcome. Good to have you with us. What are you seeing on the ground right now? I mean, new home sales, because basically people who own used homes aren't moving.
Yeah, I mean, existing home sales are just stalled right now because sellers don't want to let go of great rates that they have. So the new home sales are moving, which is a good thing. We just saw that Warren Buffett invested something like $1 billion into home builders. So there's a big bet there. But I think buyers are on the fence right now because rates have gone up. They've doubled, the highest they've been in nearly 20 years. So there's less affordability and there's less inventory. So it's a little bit of a sluggish housing market right now. It's going to take some time to reconcile that. And so we're kind of waiting it out. We wish it was a little bit busier, but we have a challenge with inventory and with rates. And I think because inflation has come down, and that's a good story, and we did not enter a recession, that's another good story. People think rates may come down, but my guess is we won't see rates come down until maybe next year if we're lucky.
Are you seeing more buyers coming to the table, or maybe the negotiation with all cash? That's number one. And number two, are you seeing among those people who are taking out mortgages, are you seeing a return to adjustables?
Yeah, I mean, definitely a return to adjustables because there's more flexibility there. It's less money. So people prefer that. And I think cash is always king, right? And so we're seeing a good amount of cash buyers. That's a good thing. But, you know, look, mostly probably 65% of homeowners have mortgages today in the United States. So when rates go up this much, it definitely has an impact. And so I've said it before, and it's true. The market is now a disciplinarian. Things have changed. And so it's in a meaningful way. And therefore, the housing market has slowed down. It's not flat. There's good inventory in places like New York City, so that's a good thing. But places like Connecticut and Palm Beach are challenged. Look, I visited a friend over the weekend who has a place in Connecticut that he bought before the pandemic, before there was this sort of jolt of business in Connecticut, and he got a great deal. Today, that house would be worth so much more, and it would have sold in a quicker period of time. It's just this period of time in the market right now.
Yeah, Bess, I don't know what realtors are going to do. I mean, nobody's going to move. I mean it. And we had so many people come in the past couple of years. I mean, you guys are you know, you've been there forever. You're well established. If anyone's going to make the sale, you are. But the turnover is so low. People are frozen in place. I mean, I just had some friends lose out again on a house they've been trying for years to bid. There's like 2 properties for sale and people outbid them again. I mean, it's like winter in the housing market. Yeah.
No, I agree. It is a slowdown. It's not that bad. I mean, we are still doing business in a decent amount. I think sales are down 17% year over year, which is not horrible. And again, circumstances dictate what people have to do, right? I mean, the market is there to serve you, not instruct you. Therefore, when people have to sell and buy, they will do so. It's just that people, when they're deciding, buyers right now, many of them are opting to rent because they see less affordability and less options. And so, but there are people, because of divorce or because of marriage or a baby or whatever it is, they have to buy and sell. So those things will continue. I call those cycle of life things that continue no matter what. Good market, bad market, whatever. It's not as horrible as you think. It's just not the best. It's not 2021 where everybody was celebrating and the market was so fluid.
Well, we'll leave it on that note. Not as horrible as you think. Bess?
Thanks, guys.
Bess, keep us posted, will you? Thank you. Bess Freedman.
Got it.
We
Thank
appreciate
you.
it.
Bye, guys.